Hello everybody, my name is Shamsujjoh Sayon. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use LibreOffice Writer. If you are familiar with Microsoft Word, then this video is not for you because there are a lot of similarities between Microsoft Word and LibreOffice Writer. If you learn one of them, you don't need the another one. You don't need to learn, okay? Because okay, let's open LibreOffice Writer. In previous video I have shown how to install LibreOffice Writer on Linux operating system. If you want that video, I will add the link in the description below. Please check out. Okay, for the first time when you open it, maybe there will be a window of that will welcome you. Just close it. I will write something in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, you see there is red underline, that means it is wrong spelling. Just right click on it and it will suggest you some right, because it's a name, so that is not a mistake. Okay, this is the menu bar. You see, this is the menu bar. This is the properties panel. Here those are the tools you can use. Let's make it bold. By using taskpad, you need to double click and move on the left. And to change the font style, there are lots of font you can find. Okay, let's make the text bigger. Just click on this icon and to make it size of 40 pixel. It's too big. We can change it by manually, just like this, 35, and enter. Okay, we can make it italic, underline, make something else. We want to change the color. If I change it this A color, you see this A sign, it will change the color of your text. But if I change this pencil color, it will change the background of this font. You see, the background color has been changed. Okay, and press enter, and right after that select this and make it no fill, and right afterward it will not be color with background color. Okay, let's write something else. Change it, just select like this and change the color. I want to make little bit of alignment. You see, this 4 is the alignment option. Align center. If I click this, it will be all start from center, and this one start from right. Let me just copy some text from Google. Start from left. I want to paste unformatted text. If I paste formatted text, you see this format will be from Google. I don't want this format. Just press Ctrl Z for undo anything. Otherwise, what you can do is just go there, and there is a option of undo. You can redo it also. Once again, undo. Paste special unformatted text. You see, there is no formation here. uh, and let's make the text justified. So what I can do is just let me format little bit, select all of them. You just focus on this right side, it is not properly decorated. So if I just click justify it, you see the line, all of the line end in the same alignment on right. Okay, that's all. Let's move to the next tool, that is this toggle bottle list. If I click this, it will start some it will give us some arrow mark. If I press enter and write something, let's make a list, we can do like this. If I double enter it, and it will be gone. Let me click on this number list. In number list, what we can do is we can write GIMP, Photoshop, Linux, Ubuntu. That's how this number list work. One more thing, if I just select all of them, we can change our text design from here, also from there. You just need to make sure this properties tab is clicked. We can increase the size of font this way. We can decrease by clicking this A down arrows. Let me save this, save as example. By default it is saved as ODT. We can save it Microsoft Word TXT. If I save it TXT, all formation of our text will be gone out. Text color will be gone, text size will be gone. So click here and it will be saved as Microsoft document, but for now I'll save as ODF text document. Save. If I close it, it will be closed, and once again open LibreOffice Writer. From here, if you go to menu panel, file menu, open recent document. This is recently we have working on. We can open through this way. Open it, file, save a copy. We can save a copy, we can export as PDF. Let me make it PDF. Export PDF, save it in LibreOffice. Which folder you like, you can save there. I am going to save it in my custom folder, LibreOffice. That is the PDF file I made with LibreOffice. You see, this is the PDF file. Okay, go to file menu. We can send this as mail, we can send email as PDF. That means it will be automatically converted to PDF, and send will be mail. We can print this way. This is the print setup. Go to edit menu. We can cut and copy by going there and copy and cut it and paste it once again. Just right click it and paste unformatted text. Find and replace. We can find any text here. We can just this, click here and just click find all. You see on this there is a selection. We can replace it by using my let's replace it with my name. Replace all, that means how many times this text will be matched. There will be my name, replaced by my name. Okay, I think you got it. There should be an option of comment. That is the insert command. Comment. You can just click here and insert our comment. Just write this is COPIED from Google. You see this comment is made. We can delete this comment. Go to view. We can see this as web view. This is normal view. We can hide our white page. That means just click and recheck. After that hide white page. Ruler, we can uncheck them. There will be ruler gone. You see that. Scroll bar, there is grid, display grid, view, grid, snap to grid. You see there is some dot line of grid. Okay, go to insert. We can insert image here. Go to picture. I want to insert this image. You see this image has been inserted. Because of this grid, this dot is displayed. Let's uncheck it. Display grid, uncheck it. There will be no dot. Okay, insert chat. We can insert chat, media, gallery, shape. We can insert any kind of shape. Let me insert a line. Just control for make it straight line. Okay, insert hyperlink. We can insert hyperlink there. Just select your text and insert hyperlink. www.zoogle.com https. okay, press OK. Now if I click here, just press Ctrl click, google.com will be open in your browser. Okay, let's go to the next bookmark. We can add page number by clicking this. Format, we can format it, align it. Okay, just check by yourself. Thank you. That's all for this tutorial. If you need more help, you can ask me in the comment. I will be happy to help you. If you find anything good about this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.